Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are breaking down a massive shift in how you find, well, anything online. Google just completely changed the game with something called AI mode. And in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly what it is, how it works, and why, if you're a creator, you absolutely have to adapt, like right now.
All right, let's just jump right in with the number that says it all. 99 times. Get this, that is the spike in interest for Google's new AI mode in the US alone. This isn't some slow, gradual change. No, this is an overnight explosion. And what it tells us is that the way we want to get information is changing, and it's happening way faster than anyone thought.
And that really brings us to this. This isn't just another little update or a new button on the page. We are talking about a ground-up reinvention of the search engine we've all been using for decades. It's a total paradigm shift, and honestly, we're all watching it happen in real time.
So, what is this new AI mode that's got everybody talking? Let's break down the brand new rules of the game. Okay, so think of it less like a search bar and more like a conversation. You know how it used to be you'd type in some keywords and you'd get back this long list of blue links you had to click through and figure out on your own? Well, AI mode gives you a direct, summarized answer right at the very top. And then it actually suggests what you might ask next, turning a search into a real back and forth. So why that 99x jump? Honestly, it just boils down to human nature. We want answers, not a homework assignment. We're all craving clear, concise summaries that just get to the point. We want something faster, more interactive, something that feels more like a chat than a research project. It's really the convenience economy coming for our search habits.
To really get how big a deal this is, let's put the old way of searching and the new way side by side. The difference is pretty stark, not just for us as users, but for anyone out there trying to get found online. So the huge change here is moving from you doing all the work to the AI giving you a hand. On the left, you've got traditional search. It's like a library full of books, and you're the one who has to go through them all, interpret everything, and piece together the answer. But on the right, you have AI mode. It gives you an instant summary, does that first round of thinking for you, and even suggests where to go next. We're moving from hunting for keywords to just having a conversation.
And here is the single most important takeaway for every creator, every marketer, every business owner out there. That AI summary, it doesn't just appear out of thin air. It's being pulled directly from content all over the web. The AI is literally reading your articles, your blog posts, your product descriptions, looking for the best answer. And if your content isn't set up for an AI to easily understand it, you're not just going to rank lower. You're going to be invisible, buried.
Which brings us to the most important part of this whole explainer, your playbook. Because this isn't about doom and gloom, it's about a huge opportunity. So here's your action plan to not just survive, but to actually win in this brand new age of AI search.
Okay, here are 4 concrete things you can do, like today. 1, add FAQ schema to your website. Think of this as putting up a giant flashing sign for the AI that says, hey, the answers are right over here. 2, structure your content in a question and answer format. It's simple. Think about what people are asking and then answer them directly. 3, write like a human, write conversationally. And 4, use bullet points. They make information super easy for AI to scan and digest.
And this, right here, is the real game changer. AI mode doesn't just care about who's number 1 in the old rankings. It prioritizes the clearest, most relevant answer it can find, and it might pull that answer from a site that isn't even on the first page of the old search results. This is a massive, massive opportunity for early adopters to just leapfrog the competition.
Look, we're not talking about something that's coming in a few years. This is rolling out as we speak. The window to get ahead of the curve, to optimize your content, and to grab that early adopter advantage, it is closing fast. So let's talk about what you need to do right now.
To help you get started immediately, I've put together a totally free AI search optimization toolkit for you. It's got a step-by-step guide and even an FAQ template you can just plug right into your own content. If you want it, just comment AI mode down below and I'll send it right over to you.
And hey, if you want to stay ahead of these daily AI trends, to really understand these shifts before everyone else does, make sure you subscribe. Because in this new world, creating amazing content is only half the battle. The other half is making sure it can actually be discovered.
So I leave you with this one last thought. You've worked so hard to create content that connects with people, with a human audience. But the main gatekeeper to that audience, well, it's not a simple algorithm anymore. It's a conversational AI. The way people find you has fundamentally changed, forever.
So the only question left is, are you ready for it?